Hello mga kabisang, mag-anlaw kayo yung tanan, no? Akong pangutanon karon si Uncle ba? Kay kaning. Wait, this one, I already put in your bag. This one, too much things for him. Now, I will ask you, sit down. Sit down.
Yalla, Baba, I need to go.
Sit down, Sam.
You're crazy.
I'm not crazy. Come here. See this one. The expiration is 2025. Kalas.
Yeah, kalas.
So, sayang kayo guys. Nipalit mi ani. 2025 July. So, expire na siya. Taghan kayong na-expire. Kanisad.
What is... No, keep.
Sayang kaayo. 29 dirham. July 7 na expire. So, mga chocolate ni siya nga kinilo. Wala na gamit ni Angkor kasi garag unya-unya. Ang duha na kabok na expire. Napailain. Expire na sad. Uy. These are also expired. See? Tons of chocolates. August 2025. 2025. What you will do with
what
this?
What about this one? This will not expire.
It will not expire.
This will not expire.
Ha? Taghan kay gipamalit guys, balik 500 dirham. Lain pa kung mga gamit niya. Ha? For me, this is the only one, but for you, a lot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Too much. Yeah. Now what are you going to do?
We can eat.
Can eat? Guys, sayang kaayo, no? Ako na lang kaning gipanghatag kung mamao man da ini. Sige ra siya gaunya-unya aning iyang trabaho. I don't want. Expire? Not good na?
Just keep.
Kausik, oh. Daghan kayo. Daghan kaayo. Panghatag na lang unta ni.
This is compound, that's why you cannot use.
Compound cannot use.
Yeah, this one I use already, huh?
Sayang kaayo guys, oy. Ay, naku, Uncle.
Yeah, what about you, this one? Why you buy this one? Or what?
Guess he take revenge. This is what I buy. Hoy, Baba!
This is for soap only. Soap is only. What about this one? This is only soap is?
Hoy, Baba! It's still good! Wow, this one also guys, oh. Nabili lang namin to ng mura, pero na-expire na siya kay di lagi hingaon og chocolate. Igo ra taon sa lantaw, design kay ganahan lagi mo sulay. Unya kay di man di madalag smile.
What are you telling me? What about you?
Oh, ang pangalan is Mercy pero na-expire na siya. Ay, kausik. Kung alam ko lang.
Kalas. Somebody is there.
August 2025. Bye-bye chocolate.
Yalla lang. I'm going. Just close.
Bye-bye sa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.